Hi, I'm Stacy Butterfield, your Polk County Clerk of the Circuit Court and Comptroller.
Hello, my name is Don Jacobson. I'm a Circuit Court Judge here in the 10th Judicial Circuit, and I'm also Chair of the Jury Oversight Committee.
And I'm Judge Ellen Masters, the Chief Judge of Florida's 10th Judicial Circuit. The right to a trial by jury is a fundamental principle of our democracy, and jury duty is one of the most important tasks that a citizen can perform to ensure our free society. Thank you for taking your summons seriously.
During this unusually challenging time, I want to assure you that our most urgent priority is to keep all individuals who enter our courthouses safe. Social distancing guidelines providing for 6 feet of personal space will be followed during all stages of the jury selection process, and hand sanitizer will be readily available at all times. We have increased disinfecting protocols throughout the building. Smaller juror pools and staggered arrival times are being used for jurors to avoid crowds. The date, time, and location for your jury duty is located on your summons. All customers and jurors entering the courthouse must wear a face covering. You will wait in line to enter security and will be spaced 6 feet from others. As you enter, you will undergo a non-invasive temperature reading and a verbal health screening. This ensures that no one enters the courthouse with a temperature over 100.4 degrees. You will also proceed through security, where your personal belongings will be placed in bins that are sanitized frequently. Once you've cleared security and your health screening, you will follow the signage to the juror check-in stations. I encourage you to use our online juror app prior to reporting for duty. On this app, you can confirm if you are called to serve and request excusals or postponements. If you are called to report, you must complete the juror questionnaire in advance online. Once completed, you will receive a QR code that you can use for a quicker, limited-touch check-in process. There is information in your summons about this app. Next, you will be directed to a courtroom where you will be seated at a safe distance from others. In the courtroom, you will receive a juror orientation that explains the remaining process. If you are selected to serve on jury, the trial will likely begin the same day. You will also find out at this time how long the trial is expected to last. We want you to know that our court system is taking safe steps to protect your health and serve you safely. Working together, we can safely ensure access to justice for everyone.
Every conceivable method of making sure you remain healthy during your service has been considered and implemented. We hope this overview gives you some level of comfort as you prepare for your visit to our courthouse.
During these times, jury participation is crucial for restoring court services and ensuring access to justice. Thank you in advance for your service, and we'll see you soon.